New video today we will go to Tumjang. People used to say Tumjang, Tumjang, and still I don't visit even one time. So today we'll go and visit and see view of Tumjang. And now we'll move out from Bolo Haflong. Okay, see you there in Tumjang. अभी साइकिल तुमजंग का शुरुआत का रास्ता है. Now we'll start climbing the peak. I think cloudy the view that lake cool and lots of people. Even the weather is not so fine, but we have lots of people in front of us. Pero rang ile chima. Hi. Lots of people. Mera. Hi. Oh. I think we have lots of people down there. I hear some boys. Hi. Oh yeah. Which village is this? Finally, not the spot, but we reached the main entrance gate. Welcome to Sekil Bong Tumjang. Here we have information of rules to be followed, throwing off any kind of plastic, strictly banned, helmet and something. And here we have welcome. Oh my god! Welcome to Tumjang.
What is your name?
My name.
My name. Yes, your name.
My name. Tumse. Oh. Niela orang pe kona Korea mana ketela ujang pe deni. Solo. Tumjang. How to diare? Kan thon leng mo ko da. Lots of wind. Peak of Tumjang. Now, ooh, look at the view. Slowly, steadily, we are moving up our step to the highest peak of Tumjang. Korean Pengulia. This we call Tumjang, but due to cloudy, we didn't get any views. And windy, cloudy, and again cloudy. This is the highest peak. Too cloudy. We didn't get any view. We didn't see any view. And even the wind is too windy, and even the cloud is too cloudy. What shall I see from Tumjang? Look. How will I fly my cloud? Tumjang. Yes, we call Tumjang, I think. We didn't get view. Windy, cloudy. This is Tumjang. Because I didn't get any view. Rain is continuing and windy, cloudy. I brought my drone. The control, I only get the control, but it is windy. And one thing, I brought my DSLR camera, and I didn't bring battery. That's my madness. I forgot my DSLR battery. So, and even if I brought also, even if I capture, I won't get a nice view, nice photo. I think everything God has matching for me. This temper the water keep entering and my phone got yan. Mabangoy nila, kumuhakin nila. Thank you for visit. Mangpa. Okay, mangpa. Mangpa, oh. What we have special here? I think we have some tea. Tumjang. Oh. Let's go back to main road of Lake Hole. Malik. So light. Look at it. Some. So light đi nữa. Look at it. Subscriber trăm lòng cái chứ nữa. Hello guys. Welcome back. These two guys are back home. Này kiểu local Korean về garing pui cái chana khai em mau chun rồi. Tri sao? Mau chun rồi ta đây. Hey, finally we reach Lake Hole Village again. We'll move back to Haflong. And my shoes is eaten up. It seems like up and down. Look at my shoes. Okay, let's buy some Fevikwik for till Haflong with my work. Look at you. Okay. I've reached my home again. And look, the bed. Okay, thank you guys for watching video. See you in the next video. Bye.